Look, I just wanna ride out from the trap to the side house. Look, I just wanna wild out, shorty say I'm shot out. I let it spit in my mouth, that's what I'm about. From the trap to the side house, from the trap to the hideout. Turn next when we slide out, but this all out.
Hi guys, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be discussing razor subscriptions. Now, I know a lot of you don't probably even think about having a subscription for razors, but I mean, I seen this commercial and I don't know, I got attracted to the commercial. I mean, how can you go wrong with buying a razor and having refills for the razor part? Because personally, I go to the store, buy razors that I have to throw away after one use. So I mean, that interests me, saves money also. So you know, I looked into it, and one thing I did realize is that they do have popular kinds. They have the Dollar Shave Club, ATHENA Club, they have BILLIE. There was a couple other ones that they have right now, but I went through the reviews to see which one was the best, and mind you, the commercial I did see was for BILLIE, so that's the first one I went for, only because they do have pink in their razors, so I got interested with that also, pink razor with a subscription. So I ordered a BILLIE razor, and right after I ordered the BILLIE razor, I found another review about ATHENA Club, and they told me that ATHENA Club was better than BILLIE. Mind you, I had already placed my order, so I was like, well, why not just buy both and, you know, weigh out my options, and I'll make a review on it, which is what I'm doing now. Long story short, it took a while for the BILLIE to come. I had to contact them about my order. Okay, so here it says on May 5th, which is 5/5/20, my order was purchased. Well, I placed my order. So that was May 5th. May 11th, I had contacted them because I didn't have a tracking order or anything like that, so I was confused on what was going on. I know it's Corona and everything, but the least you could do is send us a tracking order. I mean, tracking number. So I had to contact them about that. So that was 5/11 when they emailed me back, and they also said I should get it 7 days from the purchase date, and I didn't get that the next day. So that was May 11th. May 13th, they sent me my replacement, and I got the actual tracking. It actually arrived, it's Monday, I would say like Thursday or Friday. So it was a minute. Like I said, I placed the order for ATHENA Club right after BILLIE. May 11th, I got my tracking number, and to be honest, the ATHENA came before BILLIE. I placed BILLIE first, but ATHENA came before. It's pink, and it says ATHENA Club on it. You just slide it out like this at the bottom. There's the razor right here. It is pink rose gold color, and of course we have the razor on top, 5 or 6 prong well, blade. They have the instructions, of course, well, not really the instructions, but what's inside. You have your razor, your shower thing that you just hook it onto. I put everything back in their box. It's just for unboxing. This is the box your BILLIE will come in, the main box that will be delivered. Just open it up like that. Bag inside. Your new body brand by BILLIE. And inside box, there we go. That's the shower holder, of course. Booklet for BILLIE. And your extra razor. Slide that out, and like I said, I've already tried both of these to see how they work. BILLIE, ATHENA Club, and honestly, feel wise, ATHENA Club feels more sturdier. They like got the same texture, but it feels like they have metal or something on the inside. This feels like they just clapped 2 pieces together. This feels like it has something else on the inside, and then they put the, yeah, they both have the release buttons. And to be honest, I feel like this is already giving me a problem, because it's like only one side moves unless I broke it. This one, it slides up like this, and it literally, like, I'm not gonna say throw it, but it pops it off. It like literally pops it off. So that's for feeling wise. Weight wise, like I said, this feels like it's something in there. down to the shave. Athena Club had me sketch at first because when I would slide it against my skin, it would feel so smooth. It would feel like somebody's going like this to my skin, and I'm trying to figure out like, why is it not shaving? Like usually you get that little scratch feeling, not like too rough, but you know, you feel something. I didn't feel any of that, so I assumed it wasn't working. But when I looked down at the razor, it was working so well. It just doesn't give that rough feeling, and I'm not sure if it's because of what they have on the outside of the cartridge, but it feels so smooth on your skin, and it's ridiculous how much hair comes off for it to feel so smooth. Like I said, this came first, so I did shave with this first, and then once my hair grew back a little bit, I went over it with Billie just to get the, you know, feeling of it. And Billie, on the other hand, when I shaved with Billie, it does shave pretty well for at least the first 10 minutes, and it's not as smooth as Athena Club. It's smooth, like smoother than dollar razors like that you go from Family Dollars, but it had a little roughness to it, and you could tell the difference between the strokes. So I definitely go with Athena Club when it comes on the stroke of the shaving and how smooth it is. Even though it's smooth, it doesn't give you a hard time with shaving off the hair. Also, I shaved my whole body with Athena Club, and it didn't, you know, dull out on me, act up, anything. I just went over my legs with Billie, and literally the razor was unused. Like I couldn't use the razor anymore, just because it seemed like it dulled out already. I wasn't even completely hairy to dull it out, so I'm not sure if it's just this one, but I feel like it dulled out a little quicker, because like I said, I was just going over missed patches, like little missed hairs, and it was to the point where I had to go up and down just to catch any hair. So when it comes to repeated use or lengthy use, I would definitely go with Athena Club also. Overall, I would recommend Athena Club because the shave's good, it feels good. I mean, like I said, the only reason I use this one was to go over missed spots, but the spots I did get with this one, they have yet to grow back too fast. So I think that's a plus. It catches the hair, it's good for a long use. You can use it as many times as you want to in one session and it won't dull out. It came here pretty decent and pretty quick. I didn't have to complain, I didn't have to message them, so that's also a plus. And I just think overall, my best recommendation would be Athena Club. I mean, maybe Billie is for people with light hair, maybe they don't get as hairy, but Athena Club definitely did the job. So I give Athena Club a definite 10 out of 10. There's literally nothing that I can say disappoints me in Athena Club, but there's, you know, multiple reasons why Billie is not my best option. But like I said, that's just for me, that's only my opinion. And for pricing, they're both exactly the same price, $9, and I think I paid maybe $9.18 for Athena Club. I think $9.18 a razor, but either way, they're both $9, and they both ask you which would you like razors sent to you every month, every 3 months, packages like that. I do like Athena Club's packages because they do have an option where you could just buy a whole pack for a year. Billie does not include that, I don't think. I didn't see it. I think the longest you could do is every 3 months, but Athena Club definitely has one that does once a year, so I definitely recommend that. But like I said, this will be the end of our review. I hope to help, and I hope you definitely enjoy the razors if you are looking into them. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I hope I helped. Please don't hesitate to drop ideas. Share this video, like this video, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Trail Thursdays, don't miss out. Hit that notification button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.